Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got my very second beauty subscription unboxing for October and it is Roccabox. This is what the box looks like. So as always, if you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received inside this box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Roccabox is a UK only beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 shipping. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Inside the box, you get between 5 to 7 products. So you might get skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care, plus also we've had some snacks in there as well. I started subscribing to Roccabox when it was first released back in 2017, and then I had a little bit of a break, and then I've come back into unboxing, and now they kindly send me their boxes as PR, so I'm able to show you and tell you all about it on my channel, which I'm really grateful for. So all links and everything related to the subscription box I'll pop down below. So underneath this video you will see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. They've also given me a discount code, so you're able to receive your first box at a discounted cost. It's not affiliated, I don't get anything for it, but you're welcome to use it if you're interested in the subscription for yourself. So as well as their subscription boxes, they bring out limited edition boxes, plus they're doing their very first advent calendar this year, which is going to go on sale pretty soon, I think. All details I can find related to that, I'll pop it down in my description. So I think that's it, so let's get on to opening this up and seeing what's inside. And I've just received this morning, so I haven't had a look inside yet. Just give you a quick sneak peek. Not much to look at, hold on. I'll show you there. Whoa, it looks jam-packed. We've got some foodie treats in there as well. So as well as the items in the box, we get a card and it tells you everything about the products, including the cost. So I'm able to tot it up and to give you an overall value at the end. And it says, "Hi Roccababes, this month we are bringing you our AM to PM themed edit. We have all the products you need for morning, day and night packed into a little pink box. We've stepped up your morning routines, protecting your skin from your daily smartphone's use and helping you end the day with some great finishing touches. As always, I hope you love this as much as we do." Tia, the founder. So I'll refer to this as we go along. These 3 are bonus items, so they've just added them as a bonus, and these are all the beauty products in there. So I'll just go through them one by one showing you, but I'll just tell you a little bit about these first. So these are like breakfast cereal bars by the brand Kind. And it says here, want a simple, delicious, nutritious breakfast? Then Kind snack bars are for you. Being gluten-free, high in fibre and 5 grains is bound to give you the kickstart you need. Ideal for on-the-go breakfast. Recommended retail price for these are £1.99 each. Oh, I love things like this. I love them. So what have we got? We got honey roasted nuts and sea salt. And this is, oh, they look gorgeous. They just look like crunchy cookies. This is blueberry and almond. Normally, I'll eat them in the videos, but I'm going to save them for tomorrow, I think. I might give one to my son to take to school as well. Wow, okay. And then the other item then, that's an extra bonus, is this drink. This is by Flawsome, pressed... I said vodka then. No, pressed wonky fruit and sparkling water. You've saved 2 sweet and sour apples. Oh my gosh. These drinks are made with imperfect fruits that don't quite make it to the supermarket shelves. What a brilliant idea. So it means we're helping reduce waste by drinking these delicious drinks. This one is fizzy, fruity and 100% organic. And to buy it will cost you £1.50. Now I'm going to try this. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Really nice, really nice, really gorgeous taste. So there we go, so those are the bonus items. So now on to the beauty treats. The first one is by Hairburst, and this is Volume and Growth Elixir, avocado and coconut for all hair types, and it improves gloss and adds volume, and there's 40 mils there. Now that sounds really good. Sounds perfect for my hair. A multifunctional spray containing ingredients shown to add volume, provide fuller looking hair, improve gloss and heat protection. I just want to sniff. Oh, the coconut. That is so nice. That is so nice. So this is a deluxe travel size and the recommended retail price is £8.99. It's an award-winning styling spray that does it all and only contains naturally derived active ingredients. This vegan and cruelty-free formula enhances hair's volume and gloss, protects from pollution, UV and heat. It detoxifies, improves hair density and reduces hair loss. As an added bonus, it is free from sulfates, parabens and silicones. It's a must-have. I cannot wait to give this a go. It sounds absolutely wonderful. So yes, so that's the first beauty product in the box. Next, we've got something by Mud Masky. This is from the Specialised series. I'm just looking at the picture there. I'll give you a close look now. Blue Light Protection Mask helps shield harmful high energy visible blue light from laptop, tablet, smartphone, television, LED or computer screens. Oh my gosh. Wow, something completely new and different there. So it's a mask, so yeah, what's it say about it? Especially made for those who spend a lot of time behind computer screen. It prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light. It just says wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, leave the mask on during the day. Wow, that is such a great idea. I've recently started using blue light protection glasses, so the fact that there is a mask that you can wear as well, which protects your face. I think that is amazing. It's finally here. Sunblock for your smartphone and laptop. It's the perfect replacement for your normal day cream when you're not even out in the sun. It prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light, which is found in all types of screens. Mud Masky top tip. Always try to keep 60 centimeters away from your blue light devices, as well as protecting your skin. I really love the idea of this. Wow, who knew we'd be having skincare to protect against blue light? Yeah, I think that's fab. So there's that. Then we've got a product by Grace and Stella, and this is Do Your Skin a Favour, Use Me. It's a lavender lotion, calming and moisturising, and there's 30 mils here. Oh, is this like a nice cream, maybe like a body cream to put on before you go to bed? Apply a liberal amount onto body for hydrated skin. I have a few lavender based body creams and they're just really, really nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. That feels so soft. That is so nice. Yeah, it's subtle. It is a subtle lavender scent. So this is a deluxe travel size and the recommended retail price for this is £4. I've been using this lotion right before bed as it's infused with a light lavender scent to help relax your mind and body. Not only does it smell delightful, it's super nourishing and protects the skin for up to 12 hours. And it's got here, whilst I try and get as much beauty sleep as possible. So we've got a lavender body lotion. Next we got a sheet mask, and this is by Beauty Pro, and this is from their plant-based range, and this is a pumpkin infused sheet mask, and it contains pumpkin, ivy and bergamot, and it's for brightening and softening. It contains natural fruit enzymes and AHAs. It's an anti-aging formula, biodegradable bamboo sheet mask, and it's by an award-winning brand. Now, I've just recently received this in a advent calendar. I haven't used it yet, so I can't tell you what it's like. I bet it'll smell absolutely gorgeous with bergamot. What's ivy? What does ivy do to your skin? It just says here, natural enzymes and alpha hydroxy acids from fruit and herb extracts help increase cell renewal while brightening and smoothing the skin. Vitamin A and C help boost collagen production to prevent the signs of aging. Massage pouch before opening. Excess serum can be used over face and neck. So this is full size and it will cost you £4.95. And it just goes on to say what I've read already. So there's that. And then lastly we've got an eyeliner, and this is by Ico London, and this is I Do Liquid Eyeliner, and this is black. I feel as if I've said this quite a few times because I've had a few of these eyeliners in different unboxings. Mainly it's their mascaras, and unfortunately they just don't do nothing for me. I'm just not that keen on them, so I always pass them on to others. But their eyeliners are good. I do really like their eyeliners. So this is just a black eyeliner there. Black nib. Let's try it up here. I want to put it on where I put the body lotion. There. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm looking in the viewfinder, just causing a mess. So yeah, so it's a black eyeliner with a felt tip. So there's that. So we've got something else in the box, but this is just like a little sample, and this is Ole Henriksen, and this is the Truth Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. Firms, hydrates and instantly illuminates with 15% vitamin C, 5% PHAs, hyaluronic acid. Now this sounds amazing. There's 1.5 mils there. I don't think I've ever tried any products from this brand before. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up. I forgot to say that the cost of this mask is £44. Whoa, £44 mask. Wow, okay, I'll just carry on adding them all up. So these are all the beauty products inside this month's Roccabox. The cost of the box is £13.95 and that includes shipping. And the value of just these products alone come to around £78. I think that's right. Just under £80. So really amazing products. I am really chuffed this month. Really excited mainly with these two. But overall, I think it is such a good box, including, I can't grab the can, it's on my windowsill, but the can and these snacks and this little sample here as well. This box this month is jam-packed full of products. So no, I am loving it. I do think it's a fab box. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of this mask? Have you ever heard anything like this before? I think it's cool. I do think it's really cool, but I'd love to hear what you think of it. But yeah, is this a box for you, or are you watching this thinking, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.